We are looking at a real quick demonstration of how we generate a graph of a piecewise function. So here you see we've got this function f of x is negative 2x minus 4 when x is less than or equal to negative 1, negative 2 if x is greater than negative 1, less than or equal to 2, and 0.5x minus 4 if x is greater than 2. Now, how do we actually start this? When we think about y equals negative 2x minus 4 on this interval up through negative 1, think about this as being a ray. So we come down here and we choose our ray tool. Now, what is the endpoint there? When x is negative 1, we plug in negative 1 and we'd have 2 minus 4 be negative 2. So I'm going to look at the point negative 1, comma, negative 2, like this. Now, what is the slope of this line? It's negative 2. So if I go to the left 1 and up 2, that's the ray we're looking at. Now, the next part of the piecewise function starts at negative 1, negative 2. And so I don't need to make any comment on the endpoint there. We're going to have this constant function from negative 1, comma, negative 2 through 2, negative 2. So I grab the line segment tool, and I'm going from negative 1, comma, negative 2 here through 2, negative 2 here, like this. And then we have f of x is 0.5x minus 4 at 2. 2 times 0.5 is 1, minus 4 is negative 3. So we're going to use the ray again, and we're starting at 2, comma, negative 3. Now the slope there is positive 0.5, so I'm going to go over 2 and up 1 like this. Now, here is a break in the graph, and so I need to label both of these endpoints. Since the interval with the constant function included 2, comma, negative 2, I'm going to have a solid endpoint there. And then the next one, where x was strictly greater than 2, I'm going to have an open circle there. I grab the open circle tool and put it there. That should be my graph. Now, if I hit submit question, and they're actually happy with that. But that's a model as far as setting up your graph in the first place. And then if this is what the note says, be sure to include closed or open dots, but only at breaks in the graph. We had a break there, and so we had to really define whether they were open or closed points there. That's how this is working. I hope that's helpful. And if you'd like, I'd certainly post more than one demonstration of this. I'll stop there.